Hello, everybody. Today we are talking with the CEO of CordenPharma, Michael Quirmbach. Hello, Michael.
Hello, Silvia. How are you?
Very good. I would like to ask you, first of all, the critical situation of COVID-19, how CordenPharma is reacting to this situation.
Yeah, thank you, Silvia. So first, I think very important what we have been doing is to get internal alignment among our sites, how we really react to the crisis, what do we do to protect our employees, and also what do we do to supply the critical medications to our customer and their patients. And I think with our large network of 8 sites, I think we have a lot of knowledge from the various sites which we share in a weekly call, always on a Friday, where everybody reports what's happening at their site and how they're actually handling the various situations which are actually occurring at the site. And we're really looking after our employees. There's a lot of very often fear associated, and we're really trying to address this in a good way and working with everyone. And then we're also sharing, of course, knowledge, how we're going to order personal protective equipment, what are the issues at the various sites. And I think this has been one key element internally. Externally, you maybe have seen that we're trying to keep our customers always in the loop what's happening at the various sites. And for that, we have a weekly newsletter on our website, which we update then, of course, weekly and always in full transparency reporting how our sites are doing and what's happening. So far, I think we have been quite lucky, I would say, also have done good measures that we could continue our operations at the various sites. We only had a few hiccups, despite, of course, we're seeing significantly higher absenteeism, people working from home.
Oh, okay. Okay, so more or less like us, everybody's is now working from home, and we are having the same results, sometimes also better results than in the past. Anyway, yes, it is. It's the true answer. I would like to ask you something about FDA. So, is FDA continuing its audit inspections or not?
Yes and no. So on how we're supposed to have an FDA inspection at our site in Plankstadt at the end of March, but the physical inspection was cancelled. But instead, we were now having a paper audit, and we have supplied on time then all the documents requested to the FDA in a special cloud, and they're currently reviewing the documents, and we are in continuous discussion with them. We will also have another FDA audit in May, and it also looks like in Caponago, it looks like that this audit also will be now more like a paper-based audit. So, and we're doing everything to support the FDA. These are actually new product launches, PAI audits, and it's very crucial that we continue to work in close partnership with the FDA.
Okay. No, it was just my curiosity because I was asking myself what they are doing now. So, okay, thanks a lot for this, for your reply. And the last question is, do you have any cancellation of projects, or do you have new requests?
Yeah. So we have seen, luckily so far, only a few project cancellations, but they have been more associated to clinical trials, to new projects where customer puts us on hold. And I think if you read also the news, what's happening, some hospitals, of course, putting clinical trials enrollment on hold. And of course, this also later affects the pharma companies. But so far, it has been only a few. On the flip side, we have seen actually increasing demand for some of our existing products. So most notable, I think you're aware, we are one of the few manufacturers of manufacturing propofol from our CordenPharma Caponago site. And we're seeing very high demand, worldwide demand, and we're trying to increase the production. That's one hand. We also we have been manufacturing excipients, lipids for many years. And as some companies are now developing rapidly vaccines, against COVID-19, we also have seen increasing demand for some of our lipids, both custom lipids and also standard lipids. And I think we are well set up to meet this demand for our customers.
Okay, good news. So we close with good news.
Yes.
So, Michael, I would like to thank you very much for this quick chat. And I would like to see you in person, maybe at CPHI Milano, we hope, finger crossed.
Yes.
And good luck for everything. And thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Ciao.
Thank you, Silvia. It has been a pleasure. Thank you for taking the time. Bye.
Ciao. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.